Yo, what's good, wavers? Look at this transformation. 6 months ago, my waves weren't hidden and my confidence was struggling. Today, these 360 waves got me walking different. This hair transformation changed everything, and I'm breaking down exactly how I did it in under 4 minutes. I used to avoid taking my durag off in public. Patchy waves, struggling hairline, zero confidence. But I realized your hair is part of your identity, your culture. Here's the 3-step process. Step 1, scalp health. Started treating my scalp like the foundation it is. Weekly deep cleansing, proper moisturizing. Your wave pattern starts at the root. Healthy scalp equals elite waves. Step 2, the right products. Ocean View Pomade became my secret weapon. Natural hold without suffocating your hair. Apply to damp hair, work it in with your brush, following your wave pattern. Step 3, consistent brushing. Morning 15 minutes. Night 15 minutes. No excuses. Medium brush for training, soft brush for polishing. This consistency separates average waves from that deep, spinning wave transformation everyone's chasing. Detailed demonstration. You're not just brushing straight back, you're creating circular motion for those 360 waves. Start from your crown, work in circular patterns, hit all angles. After brushing, use your durag with strategic compression to train those waves down. This is how you get that deep wave pattern that catches light from every angle. When your waves are hitting right, you walk different, you talk different. Started getting compliments everywhere, but more importantly, I felt like myself again. Whether it's a job interview, a date, or just running errands, knowing your waves are elite gives you that extra edge. Drop a comment telling me where you're at in your wave journey. Hit that like button and subscribe for weekly wave content. Remember, your confidence starts with how you see yourself. Let's get those waves right.